Well guys, we made it. Last day here in Florida, early morning. I still have not caught a gar. But today, I've got some tools and some tactics that I think will finally get one. I came really close last night a couple times, and I think it's gonna happen today. So we got about 6 or 7 hours before we gotta go. Let's get it done. Oh. He bit it, and I went too early. Wow, that's probably the best of chances I'm gonna get. Maybe he'll show up again. Using the hookless lure. Made a mistake there. I jerked back as soon as he bit on. Look, here's the baby alligator. That's a baby alligator. Holy crap. Look at that little dude. Yeah, the cut bait's not even getting touched. Hasn't gotten one bop. Missed opportunity. That was probably our best opportunity. Damn it, alligator! That carp was chasing my bait down. He would have gotten it if this stupid alligator wasn't here. Freaking alligator, once again. There was another gar right here. Hey. Hey, buddy. Guys, I've got a fish on. But he's wrapped himself around the dock. I don't know what we have here. Now the gator has the bobber. Oh my gosh, what do we have going on here? Guys, I was just fishing over there and then I noticed a bobber underneath my feet. He spit the bobber. I need to do something here. I need to get that gator away from the bobber. Well, I've never been in this situation before. I think I've got the fish too. It's a bowfin. It's a bowfin. Let's go! Finally, guys. I knew we could do it. Sorry I didn't get the whole fight. That was really crazy. We got a bowfin. We got something. Last day, baby. Last day. We got something. It's not as big as the one I lost the other day, but it's a fish, and it's my first bowfin ever. Okay, I'm hype. I am super, super hype. Bowfin can breathe air. He'll be fine. That is my first bowfin ever. Looks like a snakehead, fights like a snakehead, and that was a very, very weird fight. I'm gonna go over what happened there in just a second. But I'm gonna get a few pictures really quick. Remember, they can breathe air, so it's not like he's gonna die or anything. There goes our bowfin. Took him a second, but he woke up a little bit. All right, let's go over what happened there. Okay, so that was kind of crazy, and I didn't film the first part of it, but I'm gonna go over what kind of just happened there. So I didn't tell you guys this, but on my other rod, I threw out a live bluegill, little live bluegill on a bobber. And here's what I did. So all day, and most of the days, I've been seeing these blow-ups along the seawall over here. So I just decided, so one day, a couple days ago, I threw a live bluegill out there, put it right on the seawall, and it went out, but I didn't get the fish. Well, this time I decided to do the exact same thing because I was seeing those blow-ups, I'm telling you, right along the seawall. And then I'm sitting over at the end of the dock, which is all the way out there. I'm sitting on the end. And I'm just chilling there, waiting to see if I can see any gar. The alligator is right near me. So I'm just chilling. And I look down in the water, and I see a white thing that looks exactly like a bobber. My first thought was, maybe this was a fish I lost a couple days ago, but then I realized I didn't lose any bobbers on any fish. So then it kind of hit me. That's probably my rod from over here. So I ran back over to this spot to see my line getting peeled out, and I'm like, oh boy, this is gonna be interesting. So I started to tighten the rod a little bit, and I could tell right away that it wasn't a gar, it was a bowfin or a bass. I thought it was either a bowfin or a bass. And I was like, geez, how am I gonna get him through all of this wood and all these docks? Somehow he made it through. And then the alligator started attacking my bobber. So that was not good. I had to get him away from the bobber. He swallowed it a couple times. But I think the alligator actually helped unsnag the fish. The fish was snagged a little bit on a log out there. And then he finally popped out, and I was able to bring him to shore with the net. So crazy, crazy stuff right there. I'm gonna throw out another live bluegill, I guess, and see what happens. It's starting to rain, probably not gonna be able to see the gar, but throw out another live bluegill, see if we can get a bigger bowfin. Stay tuned. All right, guys, so I guess I forgot to make an actual ending to this video, but I figured I'd just do it right now. So great day out there in Florida, and a great trip, to be honest. It was nice getting a little bit of a change of scenery here from Maryland, doing a little bit of fishing that I've never really done before. I've never fished for gar or fished for bowfin before. We have them in Maryland, but we don't have nearly as many. Like, they're considered almost a rare catch in Maryland. So it was nice to get a little change of scenery. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to tune into the live stream right after this at 9:00 PM Eastern. We're going to be going over a lot of stuff and some major things too. So just make sure to pop in for a little bit. I always love seeing you guys in there. And yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you next time on Bass Blades Fishing. Bye, guys.